Hello you guys, today I'm going to talk to you guys about my green peppers, okay? I went out in my garden, my green peppers leaves are turning purple. I don't know why, and it looks awful, it looks pale looking. The leaves, I know we put that 7 dust around it to keep the bugs off of it, and every time we put that stuff on there, I keep on raining and all that, and every time we turn around, bugs are eating it, turn awful color. I don't know why it's turning purple. If you guys have any device, anything to tell me why is it turning purple, I'd like to know why. They just look awful. My cucumbers are starting to get vines. My tomatoes doing good. My cantaloup's starting to go a little bit. And I found couple more cucumber plants are popping up, new ones. And I just don't know what's going on with my peppers. So, bye. Stay tuned, subscribe, and comment. Bye.